The people making thousands of dollars each month from Etsy templates aren't working harder than you. You can also launch a profitable Notion template business without writing code or spending money on ads. Here, you'll learn exactly how to make and sell Notion templates on Etsy using AI to speed up the process and make the whole thing easier. Learn how to go from an idea to a real product that sells and keeps selling while you focus on creating more. Step 1. Pick a niche. You can't sell a template for everyone because a product made for everyone usually connects with no one. Let's pick an example we'll stick with so it's easier to see the process in action. We'll go with a weekly planner for students who want to get more organized. It's a popular market, and people are always looking for tools to manage classes, assignments, and personal tasks. Search for Notion Student Planner on Etsy and you'll find plenty of results, but you'll also notice what's missing. Maybe there are very few templates with built-in reminders, or very few that have a layout designed to be used on a phone. Those gaps are opportunities. You can use Etsy's own search bar to find what buyers are searching for. Start typing a phrase, and the drop-down suggestions will show common searches. You can also use a research tool like eRank or Sale Samurai, which will give you data on search volume and competition. If you see that student planner with habit tracker has strong search numbers but fewer listings, that's a clear sign you found something with demand but not too much supply. Step 2. Create your template. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to make the template in Notion. If you're unsure about what to include in your template, you can use ChatGPT to come up with ideas about what your template should include. For example, you can give ChatGPT this prompt. I want to make a Notion student planner with a habit tracker and reminders template to sell on Etsy. What shall I include? Take those ideas and head back to Notion. Notion is flexible enough to let you build planners, trackers, databases, and dashboards. The best part is that you can use Notion AI to help speed up design. For example, if you need a section for assignment tracking, you can ask Notion AI to create a table with the right columns for due dates, subjects, and completion status. If you want a habit tracker, you can have it generate suggestions for habit categories and even color coding ideas. AI won't replace your design sense, but it can give you a strong starting point and save you hours. When the template is ready, test it, duplicate it, and use it yourself for a few days as if you just bought it. This will help you spot anything confusing or broken. Are the instructions clear? Do all the links work? Does the layout look right on both desktop and mobile? Many buyers will be new to Notion, so even small design problems can cause frustration. Step 3. Create a quick start guide. A quick start guide is usually a simple PDF that you'll send to buyers. It includes a thank you note, a short set of instructions, and the duplicate link to the template. You can make this in Canva with screenshots and clear step-by-step directions. Even though Etsy delivers digital files instantly, sending this PDF instead of just the template link makes the product feel complete and professional. Step 4. List your template. Now you can set up your Etsy listing. The thumbnail image is the first thing buyers will see, so it has to be clear and attractive. Use a screenshot of your template in action. For the student planner example, you could show the weekly view with assignments and reminders filled in, along with a small preview of the habit tracker. Keep the colors clean and easy to read. For the listing title, include the main keywords buyers search for, such as student planner Notion template with habit tracker and reminders. In the description, explain what the buyer will get, how it works, and the benefits of using it. Avoid long paragraphs of filler and make sure every line gives useful information. Pricing can feel tricky, but you can use other listings in your niche as a guide. Many single planners are priced around $5 to $10, while more advanced all-in-one templates sell for $20 or more. If your product solves a specific problem well and looks professional, it can be priced on the higher end. Don't try to compete only on price because that leads to a race to the bottom. Step 5. Automate marketing. Once your listing is live, automation tools will help you save time and increase visibility. Zapier and Bardeen can connect Etsy to other platforms so that whenever you create a new listing, it's automatically posted to your email subscribers, your Pinterest boards, or your social media accounts. This saves you from having to post manually on every platform. You can also use ChatGPT to generate social media captions, hashtags, and even blog post drafts that point back to your Etsy store. Marketing is essential because even the best template won't sell if no one sees it. Short video demos work well for Notion products because they're visual. You can record your screen as you show how the student planner works and use Canva's AI features to add captions, transitions, and music. Post these on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest. Etsy's own algorithm now takes into account how well a product connects with buyer preferences, so driving outside traffic can help your ranking inside Etsy as well. Step 6. Track and improve. As you start making sales, keep an eye on the messages and reviews you get. If buyers often mention that they wish there was a dark mode version, that's a product idea. If several buyers ask for a template for a different type of student, such as medical school or art school, those can become spin-off products. Updating and expanding your product range gives buyers a reason to come back to your shop. Delivering a smooth experience is one of the fastest ways to get good reviews and repeat customers. Always make sure the PDF guide is clear, the duplicate link works, and that you respond to basic questions quickly. You don't need to offer deep tech support, but a quick reply to help a buyer access the template can turn a neutral review into a 5-star one. Step 7. Grow and scale. AI can also help you scale once you've mastered the basics. Some Etsy sellers have built entire product ranges in weeks by using AI to generate ideas, write descriptions, and even create basic layouts. Once your first product is launched and selling, you can use the tools I mentioned to speed up the process for your next products without sacrificing quality. Keeping your shop fresh is important for return visits. Etsy promotes active shops that regularly release new products. This doesn't mean you need to launch a completely new planner every week. You can add variations, seasonal versions, or bundles. For example, you could bundle the student planner with a separate goal tracker and a reading log at a discounted price. You could also offer a summer break version with sections for travel and hobbies. Use AI to brainstorm bundle ideas or to create themed checklists that can be added as bonus content. If you want to learn more about how to bundle so that you can make more money without extra work, check out my video on how to bundle digital products on my channel. Email marketing is another way to bring buyers back. You can send updates about new products or offer discounts to past buyers. With automation tools, you can schedule these emails so they go out without you having to remember. This is how a single buyer can turn into a repeat customer who purchases multiple templates over time. If you follow the process from start to finish, you'll go from an idea in your head to a product that sells without you having to be online all the time. Choose a niche based on actual demand and gaps in the market. Create a high-quality template in Notion with the help of Notion AI. Test it and package it with a quick start guide. List it on Etsy with strong visuals and a clear description. Automate your marketing and posting. Use AI to create promotional content and scale your product range. Watch your feedback, improve your products, and add new ones to keep people coming back. This works because it combines a product that solves a real problem with systems that run in the background. The initial work sets up the template, the listing, and the marketing. After that, each new product becomes easier to launch. This is how some Etsy sellers have been able to turn a single idea into thousands in monthly income. If you're serious about selling Notion templates on Etsy, the time to start is now. Not because of hype or urgency, but because every week you wait is a week you could be getting sales and learning how to improve. Even a few hours a week can be enough to launch your first product. You've now got the full process and the tools to make it work. Start with one strong idea, create it in Notion, make your listing, set up your automations, and get your marketing running. Keep refining as you go, and remember that the more you release, the more opportunities you have for sales. That's the entire system for selling Notion templates on Etsy with AI's help. It's straightforward, it's proven to work, and it's something you can start building today. If you keep at it, you'll have a growing shop and a set of templates that earn for you long after you've created them. Who will you make your next Notion template for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.